Hello, welcome back. I'm out in the shop and I think today we're gonna put this whole drill press back together and that will be the end of it. I just made the little rivets to put this badge back on, but that could wait. What I want to do is move this over to my other table and start putting it together, starting with the base and work from there. Let's do that. I'm Glenn Nowakowski, and you're watching Glenn Now on YouTube. Okay, I've got everything moved over to the other table, and what I thought I'd do is just start by bolting this part onto the table and then just work from there. Start putting a main part in there and just building it all the way up. Let's do that. This is the part where the vise goes. There's the Miller's Falls badge. I made my own rivets here. I have to put the whole assembly together for the vise that goes on here. I'm going to do that now. What I need to do is put this whole vise assembly together and then place it onto the drill press. I'm going to do that here at this here table. What I need to do first is place this in this way, screw it in, put the jaw in, put this small set screw, or what they call the set screw, to keep this screw attached to the front jaw. And then this little screw. All right. Now I could put this little slide or jaw retainer, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to try and put this handle on. Got a couple of pins here. Okay, now I could put this on here. Let's go put this on the drill. I like it already. What's next? It's the whole drill spindle assembly. Okay, let's get into that. Okay, there you have it. I think I'm finished. I can put it up on my shelf now and get into something else. But as far as this video goes and this project, it's a wrap. So until next time, enjoy.